I'm an electronics technician, so we work on the different software and equipment that they use for billing and measurement. The education I got at York Tech involved electronics. I got a degree in the electronics field that they have there, and also computer technology. So we normally do monthly health checks on the equipment to make sure that it's within calibration for the billing. So we may check the pressures on these transmitters based on what the device is saying. On the digital side, you compare it to what it physically is out on the pipeline. This is giving you a reference on where the control valve is, how much percentage gas is being passed through this location. So it's detecting pressure on either side of the pipeline and using the pressure on the pipeline to open and close the valve. This does similar to what that does, but this is opening and closing this device, so it allows gas to pass through here through either the first provider or the second provider, sending gas on into the distribution section. The electronics piece of it is just a part of it. You have to understand like the communication pieces, whether it's IP protocols so that the devices can talk to each other, the software that we have to install on laptops to be able to talk out to the different equipment and then make it to where that device can talk back to the office. So like if one of these comes back and it's busted, or from the manufacturer, maybe it got damaged in transit, they'll bring them back in and we have to apply pressure on it to make sure that we're calculating properly. Take them over here and they'll mount it into this, and it runs it through a couple of tests and proves the unit to see that it is either accurate or it needs adjustment. If it is able to be used, then we'll take it off of this after proving it. We'll take it over to a wash tank right here, and to make sure it's still airtight, we'll put it on this unit, apply pressure to it, and then dunk it in the water so that it either shows bubbles or not. You get to work out in the field, and the customers that you might run into and talk to, you get to be back in the office working with the equipment and then out in the field. So it's a nice blend, and I love the variety.